The Galapagos Islands are home to an astonishing array of wildlife, each species playing a vital role in the delicate ecosystem of this remote archipelago. Among these creatures, some have become icons of evolution and adaptation, fascinating scientists and travellers alike. One of the most notable is the giant tortoise, a true emblem of the Galapagos. These ancient creatures can weigh over 500 pounds and live for more than a century. Each island hosts its own unique tortoise subspecies, with subtle differences in shell shape and size that have evolved over millennia to suit their environments. Watching these slow-moving giants lumber through the brush is like stepping back in time to a prehistoric era. Another captivating resident of the Galapagos is the Marine Iguana. Dubbed the sea dragons of the islands, these reptiles are the only lizards in the world that forage in the ocean. They feed on algae, diving beneath the waves and clinging to rocks in turbulent waters. Their salt-encrusted faces, caused by excreting excess salt through specialized glands, add to their otherworldly appearance. When not swimming, they bask in the sun on volcanic rocks, regulating their body temperature in the equatorial heat. Equally remarkable is the Galapagos penguin, one of the smallest penguins in the world and the only species to live north of the equator. Adapted to the island's unique climate, they thrive thanks to the cool currents of the Pacific Ocean. Watching these agile birds dart through the water in pursuit of fish is a mesmerizing experience. Despite their skillful hunting and adaptability, their population faces challenges from climate change and habitat loss, making conservation efforts critical to their survival. The Blue-Footed Booby, with its vibrant blue feet and endearing courtship dance, is another unforgettable inhabitant of the Galapagos. These seabirds nest on the rocky shores of the islands, where males display their colourful feet in an elaborate performance to attract mates. Their feet's bright hue is directly linked to their diet and health, making them not only charming, but also a fascinating example of natural selection at work. Beyond their lively behaviour on land, they are expert divers, plunging from great heights into the ocean to catch fish. No discussion of Galapagos wildlife would be complete without mentioning the famous Darwin's finches. These small birds played a pivotal role in Charles Darwin's formulation of his theory of natural selection. With their diverse beak shapes and sizes, each finch species is perfectly adapted to its specific dietary needs, from cracking seeds to probing for insects. Their incredible variety across the islands is a testament to the power of adaptation and the richness of the Galapagos ecosystem. The flightless cormorant is another standout among the island's wildlife. This peculiar bird has lost the ability to fly, a rare trait for a member of its species, but it has compensated with remarkable swimming and diving skills. With their small, stubby wings and streamlined bodies, flightless cormorants dive to catch fish and other marine creatures, thriving in an environment with few natural predators. Their evolution highlights the unique pressures and opportunities presented by the Galapagos' isolated habitats. The Magnificent Frigatebird is a spectacle in its own right, particularly during mating season, when males inflate their bright red throat pouches to impress potential mates. These graceful flyers spend much of their time soaring above the islands, often snatching food mid-air or stealing fish from other birds. Their piratical tendencies and striking courtship displays make them a fascinating part of the Galapagos avian population. Another creature of note is the Galapagos Sea Lion. These playful and curious animals are often seen lounging on sandy beaches or darting through the water with incredible agility. Highly social and intelligent, sea lions are a favourite among visitors and a critical part of the marine ecosystem. They feed on fish and squid, helping to maintain the delicate balance of the food chain in the surrounding waters. The Galapagos Hawk, an apex predator of the islands, is a formidable and intelligent bird of prey. With sharp talons and keen eyesight, it hunts reptiles, small birds and carrion. As one of the few land predators in the archipelago, the hawk plays an important role in controlling populations and keeping the ecosystem in check. Its adaptability and dominance make it a symbol of resilience and power in this unique environment. Finally, the waved albatross, found primarily on Espanola Island, is a creature of grace and endurance. Known for their lifelong pair bonds and intricate courtship rituals, these large seabirds are a sight to behold. They spend much of their lives gliding over the open ocean, using their long wings to cover vast distances with minimal effort. When they return to land to breed, their dramatic displays of affection and elaborate dances captivate observers. However, like many Galapagos species, the waved albatross faces threats from climate change and fishing practices, underscoring the importance of protecting these islands and their inhabitants. Each of these 10 creatures embodies the incredible biodiversity and evolutionary wonder of the Galapagos Islands. Their unique adaptations and roles in the ecosystem have made the archipelago a living laboratory of natural history. However, they also serve as a reminder of the fragility of these environments and the responsibility we share in preserving them for future generations.